Hey guys, welcome back. In this video we are going to learn how to run one sample t-test, and we should know when to use one sample t-test is when we want to compare a sample parameter. Let me say here we are having pH of our yogurt and we want to compare whether this pH is varying from the standard. Let me say you might have a country standard that the normal pH should be, let me say 7.5 for yogurt to be consumed by people. So you want to compare and see whether this pH is varying or it is in range. So what we do after filling, remember we have the variable view and we have the data view. After filling the sample pH values you've collected, so what we do, you select analyze, so you go to compare means. In comparing means, we are only interested in one sample t-test, so you select one sample t-test. So we drag pH into the test variable. Then this is where you are going to fill the standard pH or the standard value you want to compare with the one you've sampled, and you say the standard pH should be 7.3. So after that, just click OK. So it has computed, so it's showing that the number of pH from the samples you've collected, the values, they were 7. So this is the mean standard deviation and this is the standard error. So this is the T. So the degree of freedom is 6 because there were 7, and degree of freedom we get it from n-1, and our n was 7 minus 1, so we are getting 6, and we are getting the p-value is 0.74, and 0.74 is above 0.05, so it means the pH does not vary significantly. So it means our yogurt, it should be consumed by people because there is no significant difference, because our p-value is above 0.05. So we are saying this is the mean pH from our sample, it is 7.743. Then our standard, the one we filled in the table, it was 7.3. So the p-value here, the sig two-tailed, it is showing us that these two values, 7.743 and 7.3, they are not varying significantly. So it means our yogurt should be consumed by people.